Hello, my great primary 6 learner. How are you doing? I am Katabula Bernard and I'm here to take you through our lesson number 6 about the reproductive system. And remember, we are still in the same theme, the human body. Today, we are basically going to look at the female reproductive system. When we talk about the female reproductive system, we mean that reproductive system that is able to help in the production of a baby on the female adolescent or the female human being. So the female reproductive system is made up of the following parts. One, we have the fallopian tube. Those fallopian tubes are two. We have one on one side and another on the other side. So this part is what we call the fallopian tube. We shall look at its use towards the end. Then we have another part, my dear learner, and that is the ovary. This ovary is located here and it is one of the very, very most important parts on the female reproductive system. Then we have another part called the cervix. The cervix is located below the uterus. This is the uterus and this is the cervix. So the cervix is that lower part. It's like a ring on the lower part of the female reproductive system. We shall look at its use. Then we have another part called the uterus. Uterus is this part in the middle here. So this is the part we call the uterus. Uterus, in between, the uterus is the part located in between the uterine walls. Uterine walls. Then we have another part where, which acts as the birth canal, and that is the part we call the vagina. That is the outer part. It is the part where a baby passes during reproduction or during the process when a mother feels labor pains. Let us now, my dear learner, look at other parts. We have said we have the fallopian tube, we have the ovary, we have the cervix, we have the funnel of the oviduct, then we also have the uterus wall or the uterine wall, and then we also have the vagina. Let us look at the importance or the role of each part, and we shall basically begin with the vagina. How is the vagina important? Number one, this vagina is an opening on the female reproductive system, and one of its roles is to receive the penis during copulation or during the act of having sexual intercourse. It is the part that receives the penis. Number two, it is the very part which acts as the birth canal. It is the part which acts as the birth canal. It is where the baby passes during birth. That's why we call it the birth canal. Then we also have to remember that the vagina receives